With Can-Am Ryker, the possibilities are endless. And not only talking about all the roads waiting for you to explore, you can also customize your vehicle in endless ways for any adventure in your favor. At Can-Am Ryker, every trip is a thrilling journey. With a lower seated position, you'll feel comfortable with the road, so you can get through sharp turns, master every turn, and challenge every limit. Rotax engines have an outstanding reputation for high performance, superior fuel mileage, and are proving to be the absolute only choice for the fuel-pleasing Can-Am Ryker range. The Can-Am Ryker's automatic transmission features easy, twist-and-go shifting designed to keep vehicle performance and fuel efficiency in perfect balance, allowing you to stay focused on the road and adventure ahead. Fun doesn't have to be safety, intelligence, in partnership with Bosch, which has developed the Can-Am Ryker's vehicle stability system. Its innovative technique utilizes a combination of the effects and benefits of ABS, plus a traction control system and a safer, more confident ride. The Can-Am Ryker incorporates a rugged and reliable driveshaft technology engineered for the smoothest maintenance-free ride. Adjustments and tunings are a thing of the past, and only adventure awaits.